everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 in this polynomials and factorization. Here is the first problem. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 1 by 2. Solution. The given polynomial is 4x square minus 5x plus 3. We have to find the value of this polynomial when x equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, we have to find the value of this polynomial. So 4x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 4 into, here in the place of x we have to substitute 0. So 0 whole square minus 5 into 0 plus 3, which is equals to 0 square is nothing but 0. 4 into 0 is 0 minus 5 into 0 is 0 plus 3, which is equals to 3. When x equals to 0, the value of the given polynomial is 3. Let us solve the second one. That is x is equals to minus 1. When x equals to minus 1, we have to find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3. This is equals to 4 into, what is the x value? X value is minus 1. 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into, here x is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4 into minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1. 1 minus into minus plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3. Here 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Therefore, the value of 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x equals to minus 1 is 12. Let us solve the second problem. That is, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Here is the first one, p of x equals to x square minus x plus 1. For this polynomial, we have to find the values of p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Solution. What is p of x? P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. Now we have to find the value of p of 0. P of 0 is equals to, which means the value of x is 0. We have to substitute 0 in the place of x. So 0 square minus x is 0 plus 1. 0 square is 0. 0 here plus 1, which means the value of p of 0 is equals to 1. Now we have to find p of 1 value, which means in the place of x we have to substitute 1. So p of 1 is equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 1 is the answer. When x is equals to 1, p of 1 is 1. Now we have to find p of 2. P of 2 is equals to, in the place of x we have to substitute 2. So which means 2 square minus 2 plus 1. That is equals to, 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. P of 2 value is how much? That is 3. Let us solve the second one. That is, P of t equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. Here also we have to find p of 0, which means in the place of t we have to substitute 0. So that is equals to 0 minus 1 into, here 0 plus 1, which is equals to 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 into 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 into plus 1 is how much? That is minus 1. Now we have to find p of 1. P of 1 is equals to, in the place of t we have to write 1. 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equals to 1 minus 1 is how much? That is 0. 0 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 into 2 is 0. Now we have to find P of 2, which means in the place of t we have to write 2. So 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That is equals to 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Therefore, the value of P of 0 is minus 1. P of 1 is 0. And P of 2 is equals to 3. These are the required answer. Let us solve different problem. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. Here is the first one. P of x is equals to 2x plus 1, where x equals to minus 1 by 2. We have to check whether x equals to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1 or not. Here is the solution. The given polynomial is P of x is equals to 2x plus 1. Now we have to find P of minus 1 by 2. P of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into, in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Value of P of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1. Let us solve the second one, that is P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. We have to check whether x is equals to minus 3 by 2 is 0 of this polynomial or not. So we have to find P of minus 3 by 2 value. P of minus 3 by 2 equals to 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus pi, which is equals to 5 into 3 is how much? 15. Here minus. So that means minus 15 by 2 minus pi. Therefore, P of minus 3 by 2 is not equals to 0, which means that x is equals to minus 3 by 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, x is equals to minus 3 by 2 is not the 0, not the 0 of the polynomial 5x minus pi. Let us solve another problem in the same page. Here is the solution. P of x equals to x plus b, where x equals to minus b by a. The given polynomial is P of x is equals to ax plus b, where x is equals to minus b by a. We have to check whether x equals to minus b by a is 0 of the polynomial ax plus b or not. For that, we have to find P of minus b by a, which is equals to a into x value is how much? That is minus b by a. Minus b by a plus b. A gets cancelled. Minus b plus b. Minus b plus b gets cancelled. The value is 0. P of minus b by a is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial, is the 0 of the polynomial ax plus b. Let us solve another problem, that is f of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. F of x equals to 3x square minus 1. We have to check whether x equals to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 are zeros of the polynomial or not. We have to find f of minus 1 by root 3 value. F of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 3 into, what is the x value here? That is minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1, which is equals to 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1 by root 3 whole square, which means 3 minus 1. 3 gets cancelled, and here 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, f of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 0, which means that x equals to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, polynomial x square 3x square minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial 3x square minus 1. Let us check whether x equals to 2 by root 3 is 0 of the polynomial or not. We have to find f of 2 by root 3. F of 2 by root 3 is equals to 3 into, in the place of x we have to substitute 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1, which is equals to 3 into 2 square is how much? That is 4. 4 by root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. 3 gets cancelled. We will get 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. This is not equals to 0. F of 2 by root 3 is not equals to 0, which means that x is equals to 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the polynomial, is not the 0 of the polynomial 3x square minus 1.